President-elect Yoon Suk-yeol's transition team is now complete. Not all are politicians tied to the People Power Party. His spokesperson says the members were chosen based on merit only. Official launch ceremony is set for Friday. Yeon-seung has the full story.
President-elect Yoon Suk-yeol's transition team is now ready to hang up its official signboard and kick into action as early as Friday morning. Spokesperson for the president-elect, Eun-hye, on Thursday announced the final names to fill the committee's key posts. And with her announcement, the team has taken its full shape. At the head is former presidential candidate and People's Party leader Ahn Cheol-soo. He will also be leading the COVID-19 response special committee. There will also be special committees for national unity and balanced development, in charge of making Yoon's top pledges happen. In the committee, there are also 7 divisions that will each be handling key state affairs. Economy has 2 divisions. The first is assigned to overseeing big picture and financial policies, while the second is devoted to practical day-to-day economic affairs. Each of the 7 divisions is led by former vice ministers, former assemblymen, or other experts in the field. But not all members on the team are politicians, nor are they affiliated with the People Power Party. Scientists, professors, and business people have also been brought on board. According to spokesperson Kim, the members were chosen solely based on merit.
We will search every corner of South Korea to find the right person, and we dream of a government that unifies and embraces talents based on their experience and expertise.
The team is now ready to get down to business. According to spokesperson Kim, no presidential transition committee will have had its signboard in place as soon as this one. And this administration, she said, will not waste a second in working to make people's lives better. Yeon-seung, Arirang News.